Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a just kind of a haul video, a compilation of let's see, JoAnn's, Amazon, LisaLorenePlans, and I got a few things at the Dollar General. If you are not already a subscriber, be sure and hit that button and the bell so that you get notified when I upload new content. And the first thing I wanted to show you were these scissors that I got from Amazon. They are micro tip scissors. They have a kind of a little loop that you can put your finger on just to help you steady yourself. They are titanium. They come with 4 pairs. I put 2 pairs away and then just use these 2 right now. They are 6-inch scissors with a comfort grip handle. And I will link them, link the Amazon link so that if you are interested you can pick them up. Next from Amazon, I picked up these Erasable and Vibrant Hilighters by Crayola. And these are actually for a swap that I'm doing. They have the thick tips and the thin tips. So either one. And I will also link these. These were like $9, I think. The scissors were $9.99 for 4 pair. So those are some good deals. Then yesterday I went to Dollar General. The craft aisle was pretty much empty. I did find these A2 cards and envelopes because I make a lot of cards and embellish them. So I picked up, there are 10 sets in the package of cards and envelopes, and I picked up 4 packs, and these were $1 a piece. So a great buy. Next, from JoAnn's, I picked up the Happy Planner Summer Vibes book, and I'm going to do a flip through. I'll be posting that video soon. And then I also picked up Color Me Happy by the Happy Planner. So, I got both of those, and I think I used a coupon, so I got $11 off. They were like $11.99. And then at JoAnn's, I don't know if anyone else has seen these Crafty towels. They're like kitchen towels or hand towels. Super good quality. They have a glue gun, buttons, pens, yarn, a spatula. Just super cute things on them. So I picked up 2 of them. I'm going to give 1 away in a swap. And I got these for $3 a piece. So, great buy. And then, a friend of mine that I'm in her scrapbooking group, and she gets a lot of products and then offers them to us. She showed this kit by PhotoPlay. It's called Living the Quarantine Life by Becky Moore. And I picked up the ephemera and the 12 by 12 little kit. And I picked up 1 extra sheet of the toilet paper and the cut-aparts. So, super cute. I'll pull the paper out so you can see what it looks like. I haven't even opened it and looked at all the paper either. So, of course, you have your cut-aparts. Other side is toilet paper. And then, I think you get 2 of each sheet. So you get another cut-aparts and toilet paper. Then you get a red sheet, and the other side is more cut-aparts. So super cute. Love this kit. It'll be great to make some cards and things with that I can send back home to Indiana to my family. And then this one just has all kinds of speech bubbles, just panic buying, thank a first responder, travel ban, sanitize, social distancing, just all kinds of things that we've been going through. And then this one's called COVID-19, and it has the little germs on the other side. And then this one is called Plaid 19. And I guess you just get one sheet of it with the plaid. So super cute, love that kit. And then I also picked up the ephemera. I haven't punched it out or anything, but I'll show you the pages. You get a mask, 2020, positive and negative test tube, together at home, computer COVID-19, fight COVID-19, and a little germ. Then you get a sewing machine with the mask, home office, washing hands, the heart with the cross in it, the Nobel new pathogen. Stay 6 feet, you get a thing of toilet paper, thermometer, a sheet of paper, hashtag alone together, and then stay at home. Class of 2020 quarantined. You get the world with a mask over it, and then several sentiments. You get stay positive, and then it says, I picked a heck of a time to have not learned how to cook for the past 29 years. Book list, movie list, and wash your hands. And then the last one you get is the coronavirus, some sanitizer, germs, what day is it? So that is the ephemera. And then last, for my planner people, LisaLorenePlans was having a sale. I believe it was 30% off one day last week. And the first thing she sent is this little card. It's the little things that make life amazing, with the ladybug and the sunflower. And then it just says thank you for your order. It gives all her social media, and then tells you about her collecting the butterflies. She gives you a card, and then on the sampler each month you just take the butterfly off and stick it on there. And then I picked up almost all of her mini kits because they're perfect for my daily planning. I think I got 9 of them, and these were $2 a piece. This one is fresh lemons, and these fold together so cute, and you can just stick them in your planner and take them with you so you can plan. So fresh lemons. Picked up all her fall kits. This one is rustic fall. Super cute. Love the ball jar. And then this one is pumpkin spice everything. And this one is called Seashells. And LisaLorenePlans is on Etsy, by the way, if you're looking for her shop. This one is very cute, bold, vivid colors. It's called Happy Fox. And then I picked up this one with the extra little deco sheet. I think you paid 50 cents for it. This one is Fall into Fall. She has great quality of stickers. And I love the mini kits. Not only are they cheaper, they're just right for a daily planner. I don't like to overly decorate. This allows me to add some washi, and then that's about all I decorate. This one came with the deco sheet too, and this one is called Good Morning Pumpkin. I love that candle and the leaf. And then the last one is the sunflowers kit that I received. So I will link everything in the comments. If you're interested or have any questions, be sure and leave me a comment and I will get right back to you. Otherwise, have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll be back with those Happy Planner flip throughs on the 2 new sticker books that I got.